yellow tomato soup recipe. Easy, healthy, and delicious. Chop up the cabbage. Then throw it in pressure cooker and cook for 1 minute. The order of cooking vegetables is important. I usually start with onions and tomatoes and potato and carrots. So I will start with onions. In a large cauldron on high heat, start with a stick of flour. And try not to cry when cutting an onion. Chop up tomatoes and add them. Add tomatoes to the cauldron. Peel potatoes and add them. Mix it. I'm going to add my favorite spice, Garam Masala, that makes it taste very warm and yummy. Mix it. Now I will cover it and prepare the carrots. Clean and peel the carrots. Shred the carrots and add them. Add the cabbage that you cooked in the pressure cooker and mix it. Add chickpeas. I usually cook for 2 hours. Stir it and add some salt and paste. Vegetable stew. Easy, healthy, flavorful, and delicious. Garnish with fresh basil or cilantro. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more recipes from Mrs. Boots.